I think of all the technicians that we have seen come through our training, and it's a humbling experience. I've been with Spectrum going on 27 years, and as a technical trainer, I've been doing this over a decade now. Welcome everybody for your first day of training at Spectrum. Being a trainer, I see the technician grow into a leader and then doing something that they thought that they could never accomplish. Beautiful, man. In this job, you have to use many things, especially your brain. We want to see that deductive reasoning going on. We want to see them solve how to run a drop, what a tap looks like, how to set up a ladder. We go up in the attics with them and we teach them how and where to step, how to drop cable in between walls.
I've been doing training actually for 7 years, and I've been with the company 19 years. We actually give them a hands-on approach on how to do everything systematically. We have a training facility outside a training house, so they do it in a safe environment. We tell them, you are the first line of communication with our customers because you are the first one that is going to tell them our products are great, and you have to be able to do it right the first time because you will never have to go back to that customer again and they're satisfied.
For me, it's a lot of camaraderie here. It's kind of like the Marine Corps because you can ask your colleague here to help you out and they always help.
I like to use my brain a lot and I like to figure out things. I've never been this happy or excited about a job before, so this job's perfect.
Being a trainer, I'm on their side. I'm the person in the stands cheering them on. I know that they can do it, and it makes me kind of proud.
The best part of being a Spectrum trainer is seeing our employees progress and they want to move up and start a career at Spectrum. You're like, oh my goodness, I was part of that.